Papa of Papa's page. Today is Cast Iron Wednesday, and today we'll be making Shipwreck stew. The ingredients we'll be using are olive oil, kidney beans, whole corn, tomatoes, ground beef, onions, and potatoes. I have everything cut up and ready to go. So I'm going to start by putting a little olive oil in the pot, followed by some onions, and hamburger. I will get back with you when the hamburger's cooked. The hamburger's browned now, so I'm going to add the potatoes, and I had some water in there. And it said to add all the liquid with the vegetables, so in goes the corn, the beans, and the tomatoes. I'm going to put in 1 beef bouillon cube to help season the water that I put in. And now I'm going to let it, I'm going to bring it to a boil or heat it up pretty good, and then we'll start simmering it. Okay, it's heated up pretty good, so I'm going to turn the temp down and stir it some. Somehow I missed the celery, so we'll put it in now. It's done, so we'll stir it first, and then we'll scoop some up and give it a taste test. I think it's cooled off enough, so we'll give it a taste. It's good. Thank you for watching, and give us a big thumbs up.